Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated superfoods out there, beetroot. Whether you're into boosting your workouts, improving your health, or just adding some vibrant color to your plate, this little root vegetable has got you covered. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to add beetroot to your shopping list. So, let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the incredible nutritional profile of beetroot. Even though it's low in calories, it's loaded with nutrients. We're talking about vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Vitamin C, for immune support, skin health, and antioxidant defense. Folate, vitamin B9 crucial for healthy cell function, especially for pregnant women. Iron, great for those of us looking to boost energy and prevent anemia. Magnesium and potassium. These help keep your muscles functioning and your heart in check. Fiber. This will help keep your digestive system moving smoothly, something we all need. And the best part? You get all these benefits with very few calories. So beetroot is a no-brainer if you're trying to eat healthy or maintain a balanced diet. Now let's talk about your heart. If you care about heart health, and who doesn't, beetroot is a must. It's packed with nitrates, which might sound scientific, but let me break it down for you. Nitrates turn into nitric oxide in your body, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels. What does this mean for you? Well, it can lower blood pressure, reduce stress on your heart, and improve blood flow. Some studies have shown that drinking just 1 cup of beetroot juice a day can make a significant impact on your blood pressure. How amazing is that? Plus, it can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, which is crucial as we get older. What's more, for all you fitness enthusiasts out there, this is where beetroot really shines. This veggie has become a secret weapon for athletes because the nitrates improve the efficiency of how your muscles use oxygen. What does that mean in practical terms? More stamina, less fatigue. A lot of endurance athletes are turning to beetroot juice or powder to get that natural edge before a race or workout. Studies show that consuming beetroot before exercising can actually increase your time to exhaustion by up to 16%. So, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or doing high-intensity interval training, beetroot can help you push a little harder and go a little longer. Now, let's get into one of the reasons beetroot is often considered a superfood: its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Beetroot is rich in compounds called betalains, which are not only responsible for that bright red color, but also help reduce inflammation. Why is this important? Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of diseases like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By adding beetroot to your diet, you're giving your body a natural defense against these issues. Plus, antioxidants in beetroot help protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is key to slowing down aging and keeping your body in top shape. Let's not forget about your brain. As we age, cognitive function naturally declines, but you can slow this down by adding beetroot to your diet. Remember those nitrates we talked about earlier? Well, they don't just help your heart, they also increase blood flow to the brain. This increased blood flow helps improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Studies have shown that beetroot consumption can help with neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and change. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just trying to stay sharp as you age, beetroot is the brain food you need. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Additionally, your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, responsible for processing toxins and eliminating waste. But with modern diets, stress, and environmental pollutants, your liver can often get overloaded. That's where beetroot comes in. Beetroot is loaded with betalains, a powerful group of phytonutrients with potent detoxifying properties. These compounds help your liver break down and eliminate toxins more efficiently, making it easier for your body to stay clean and energized. But that's not all. Beetroot is also a great source of antioxidants that fight free radicals, which can damage liver cells. By incorporating beetroot into your diet, you're giving your liver the support it needs to function at its best, helping to prevent toxin buildup that can lead to fatigue, skin issues, and even illness. As your liver works more efficiently, You may notice clearer skin, fewer digestive issues, and an overall improvement in how you feel. Feeling sluggish or bloated lately? That's often a sign your liver could use a little help, and beetroot is nature's way of providing just that. Regular consumption of beetroot can cleanse your system, boost your energy levels, and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Now, if weight loss is on your mind or you simply want to improve your digestion, beetroot should be a staple in your kitchen. Why? Because beetroot is low in calories yet packed with nutrients and fiber, making it a perfect food for weight management. You can add it to salads, soups, smoothies, or even enjoy it roasted as a side dish. This veggie not only fills you up but does so without packing on the calories, helping you avoid overeating or snacking on unhealthy options. The fiber in beetroot plays a key role here. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. If you've ever felt sluggish or uncomfortable due to digestive issues, beetroot might just be your answer. By keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive tract, it can help you feel lighter and more energized. Plus, here's the kicker. Despite its naturally sweet taste, beetroot has a low glycemic index. This means it doesn't cause those sharp spikes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings or energy crashes. It's an ideal food for people managing diabetes or anyone who wants to keep their blood sugar level stable throughout the day. Who doesn't want healthy, glowing skin? While there are endless beauty products out there promising radiant skin, sometimes the best solution comes from within, and beetroot is a perfect example of that. This humble vegetable is rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient that supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm, youthful, and smooth. The antioxidants in beetroot help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors, like pollution or UV exposure. These free radicals can speed up the aging process, causing wrinkles, fine lines, and a dull complexion. By incorporating beetroot into your diet, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to fight back and stay youthful. Not only that, but beetroot's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce common skin issues like acne, blemishes, and irritation. It's like giving your skin a calming, healing treatment from the inside out. Some people even use beetroot juice in DIY face masks for an instant glow. So there you have it, folks. Whether you roast it, juice it, or blend it into a smoothie, beetroot can truly transform your health from the inside out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips, and smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.